I have a cardboard boat, as always. And again, I put black powder in this one, just like I did in my other one. Hopefully, I won't have a call to interrupt it. Black powder. And I couldn't find any fuse, so this will have to do. Maybe do you want to come around and watch?
He's fine. If he wants to, he can come over.
All right.
There she goes. So is that going to burn all the way down, you think?
Uh-huh. Possibly. No. Oh, well. At least we'll have a good view of it. Oh, the lifeboats are a little messed up. Filming!
It went out.
Ah.
Dave, we need you to push the boat back here. We can't reach it.
I'm not going to die, am I?
I don't know.
Not likely.
Maybe.
Don't get our fuse wet. Don't try to pick it up now, I don't think.
Don't pick it up now.
Can you? Yeah, he's picking it up. It's good. It's good.
All right.
Grab it. I'm shutting this off.
No.
No? No? Don't shut it off.
Can you, light it? Light it.
I think you should frazzle that a little more.
Yeah, but it's already smoldering a little bit, so it's going to be kind of hard to do.
Yeah. It won't stay lit. It needs to be loosened up.
Yeah, well, there's already black powder in there. Come on over here.
Yeah, here. Here. Here.
You do it.
Maybe you can just drop it in there.
Oh, careful.
Okay, there you go, Sky. Drop that in there. I don't know if I'm holding it from the right side or not. There we go. Put it way down in there. Okay.
Woo. I think it's going to go this time. Okay, well, I'm pushing this one a little bit back.
Yeah. Problem is the wind's blowing it back towards us.
Oh,
That's funny. She's gonna blow.
Stand up.
Oh boy.
Oh no, it's traveling down in there to the bottom. It's gonna go soon.
Poof.
Oh man, it shouldn't be this close to the wooden dock.
We're on water.
Oh yeah. Whoa! See what I mean? See what I mean?
There she goes.
Oh.
She blew.
That was gnarly, bro.
That was awesome.
That was sweet. You have to do that again.
No, leave it. There's still holes in it. Just leave it.
Yep, she blew.
It catapulted the lifeboats out of the... Look at the lifeboat.
That was gnarly. That was just...
I hope it's still going to sing.
I'm proud of you. Paddle touch.
Pedals, knuckle touch. Okay, can I shut this off?
No.
No?
Where's the
Look
sink?
at it
Wait.
smoking like a sieve.
Where did the sing come from? Smoking like a sieve.
From sieves that were smoking.
Let me take a hit.
Oh man, hang on.
Where's the lighter? Light the rest of that deck on fire.
Nah.
Yeah, light that deck right where that hole is, David.
Okay. Just like
Got a flambe going, floating out there, a floating flambe.
I think Scott was right. Should have been a little more out. That's what you watched the video for.
That's why.
Look at it falling apart from the heat.
Look at the duct tape.
Can you light that hole?
I wouldn't try. It's still smoking.
The hole would smoke light better.
Alright, it's lit. Man, my videos are taking longer than usual lately. You can see that the if you look at the front, you can see that it's starting to fall apart. You might
Yeah,
want to
you
push it
can
away
see.
from your plastic kayak.
It's not. He knows what he's
All
saying.
right. And
It's a plastic kayak in water.
true.
Duct tape's coming off the front of the boat.
Can you push it down a little bit, David? Push it down. Kinda.
Like entice it to.
There. Okay. Okay. And push it back our way.
Light that side of the boat too.
Oh man, all the lifeboats are gone. Can I still keep them in the water? There. Wait.
That's why you gotta light the edge of the hole.
I just wanted to sink
If
now.
you light the edge of the hole, it'll go. Woohoo!
And the lifeboats are gonna go down. No, they're going down. Hey. A fish is trying to eat it.
You know what would help though is if you dumped wax on them, they would burn like crazy.
What?
If you dumped wax on the boat next time,
Look.
melt a bunch of hot, because that'll help it burn.
It's sinking, that much is for sure. You were just, David, you were laughing so hard at us.
Yeah, it was.
So was Cheryl.
I laughed like that too when me and my friends did a documentary in 6th grade. Not a documentary, a video class. For an advertisement in rocket shoes, and we strapped 2 glue streaks to the sides of our some old beat up shoes, and we jump off of the trampoline and speed up the video.
You know what you guys should do is you guys should each tape some of those smoke bombs to your shoes and go run around. tape them to your heel, to the back of it, like back here.
Can you push it down a little bit more at the front?
Send it over to Sky. He'll push it.
Push it over to me. Send it to me. Oh, there we go. Better viewing angle as well.
Oh boy. It's taking on a lot of water now. Push it away because I can't film it that close.
Okay.
Oh boy. Oh, that's it. There she goes. She capsized. Still floating.
I thought capsize when it turns upside down. You think it's gonna sink?
No. I think it's going to stay floating for a long time.
David, give it a little encouragement.
There, he encouraged it. Except for he can't get it on film
no, I
now.
can't see it. Oh. Can you like flip it a little bit? Like flip it so the air pockets change. Oh.
Uh-oh, let's see.
No!
Oh, it's taking on... I see it. There it is. It's coming back up.
I see it. You see a little hole?
Yeah, look at it. It's bubbling like crazy. As soon as all that air's out of it, she's done.
Can you like, hey, David, can you use your finger
Just
and
grab it, Sky.
poke the hole a little bit in there?
Grab it, Sky. You can do it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No, not
No.
yet.
Is that a waterproof watch?
Yes, I do.
He's checking.
I can see the air. Hang on. Finisher. There we go.
Just gone. See if you can get it. Put it right upright. Oh, gone, gone. Get it away from here. I can't film it that close. There you go.
Leave it.
I think it's gonna float.
There.
Oh, gone. That is gone now.
All right. Film me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Out!